Good day children. Today in this video we will see email writing format. Email is an electronic letter sent through the internet, but for the format it is just like a letter, how we usually write a letter. The same format will be used in electronic letter also. So here is the example for informal email, which is sent to your friend, giving him some tips, telling him how to fight global warming. First I will write the date and from your email, like example shankar98@gmail.com. Yes. Then subject. Subject here is not mandatory, children. Yes, for an informal letter subject is not mandatory, but if you want you can write how to fight global warming. Simply I am giving as how to fight global warming. Next, to address, that is to. Here you will not write a address, you will give the email to whom you are going to send it. kishore23@gmail.com. Yes. Next, I'll start with Dear Kish. I'll start the letter with Dear Kish, comma. After greeting him or her, you have to put a comma there. It may be an informal letter or formal letter. After greeting, you have to put a comma there. Next, skip a line and just come to the next line and you will type hi. And here I have used exclamatory mark. You can use exclamatory mark in informal letter. You can use short forms like I am fine here. See, hi, how are you? I am fine here. I have not written I am. I have just written I am. In your mail, I found you very anxious about the problem of global warming. I have some ideas about how to fight it. Global warming means the warming of the Earth's atmosphere. We must take steps to stop doing things which contribute to this warming. We must use only energy efficient appliances like pressure cooker while cooking. We should use washing machine or dishwasher only when they can be used to their full capacity. We should plant as many trees as possible. The smoke from vehicles causes a lot of warming. Private vehicles should therefore be avoided. Public transport is the best way out. I hope that I have given good suggestions. Take care. We will meet soon. Your affectionately, Shankar. Yes, this is how you will sign off. Yes, your complimentary close will be like your affectionately, comma, Shankar. So before going to the formal email, we'll see the format for formal letters. Okay. First, you need to write the date. Yes, skip a line and include the date. Next, sender's address. To start, place your full address, including your full name, street address, city, state, and pin code in the upper left head corner. Yes. Receiver's address. So to whom you are writing the letter. To address. Skip a line and place the recipient's full address. Here you will want to include the company name, the recipient's name and title, and mailing address. Yes. If they have a mail, if you have their mail, you can give their mailing address also while writing it on the paper. Next, salutation. Salutation means greeting. Okay. Next, subject. Subject is very important in formal letters. We saw that in informal letter, we saw subject is not mandatory, but in formal letters, subjects are important. Next, complimentary close. How to close the formal letter. So now we will see this in brief. Yes, now we'll start with subject. So what is a subject? A small note which has been mentioned before writing a letter. Yes, especially we'll do this in formal letter. Formal letters should have subject. Okay. Next, salutation. Skip one more line to insert the greeting. This is called the salutation. In a formal letter, start with respected madam or sir, or dear madam or sir, Mr. Henry, dear Mr. Henry. Like formal letters tend to require a comma after the greeting. You have to put a comma after the greeting. So you can see here, respected madam, comma, respected sir, comma, dear madam, comma, dear sir, comma. Yes, you have to put a comma after the greeting, like how we do in the informal letter. Next, body of the letter. Skip a line and begin the letter. In the body of your letter, separate your thoughts into paragraphs. Make it crisp and short. So in formal letter, we will straight away get into the point. It should be crisp and short. It should not be for more than 2 paragraphs. Yes, it should be very short in length. Next, skip one of your final lines to include a complimentary close. What is meant by complimentary close? The closing can be as simple as sincerely, yours truly, or gratefully, or obediently, yours obediently. So this should end with a comma. Yes. Next, skip a line where you will insert your handwritten signature. Yes. Next, or type your full name. If you are including any attachments with your letter, that is, if you are including any attachments in your email, skip one more line and type enclosure. Okay. If there are more than one attachment, indicate how many there are. As an example, enclosure in bracket 4. That is, 4 attachments have been attached with this email. Okay. Here is the example for formal email. A sanitary condition of your locality are in a bad shape. Write an email to the sanitary inspector. First, what you have to write? Date. Next, from your ID, your email ID. Next, to. Type to whom you are going to write, to whom you are going to type this email. To sanitarydepartment@yahoo.com. Next, subject. Bad conditions of the locality. I wish to invite your attention to the insanitary condition of Lajpat Nagar. It is so bad that it might spread of several diseases. There are heaps of garbage. Drains are blocked. While passing through the streets, mounds of rubbish emit foul smell. I request you to send your people to clean the colony and visit it regularly. Only this can check it from becoming a vast garbage field. Yours sincerely, Roshan. So this is how a formal email looks like. Yes.